Welcome to the World Quantum Day by Career for Future team that is part of EDU TV at Delhi Public School, Bangalore East. I am Pranav Thakurta, the founder of CFF TV, along with Ms. Tanya Sethi and co-founder Omera Yusuf, a student of class 12. We organized the World Quantum Day for student of class 12 on 31st March 2022 to help them to understand the world of quantum and the possibilities of this revolutionary technology. With a great response from 275 students, we congratulate Ms. Manila Carvalho ma'am for her advocacy for quantum technology in her school, Delhi Public School East in Bangalore, the Silicon Valley of India. DPS Bangalore East is also the first organization in India to have conducted this session on quantum. With us, we have renowned speakers such as Professor M. Pant, Mr. Ashish Basu, former head of NIT, and Professor Mallikarjun M. Kodabagi from Reva University.
Good morning, Pranav sir, Ashish sir, and Panta sir, and all my dear students. See, I'm very happy to share something related to the quantum computing. Though I'm not from the physics background, but I'm from computer science background. So I would like to talk about what is the impact of quantum computing on computer science, in computer science particularly, or maybe the impact of quantum computing for various computer science related applications which are required for the automation of various industries, various systems in the private organizations, and so on. See, currently all students know that the computers work on processing the bits or the bytes, as rightly told by Ashish sir and Fanta sir. Yes, we store the data in terms of bits and bytes, and we process the data. And of course, computationally, when the data is very huge, it takes a lot of time to process, and probably the limit of processing power may exceed after some time, because in future we may try to generate a huge amount of data, and processing huge amount of data by the current computers is quite impossible, as rightly told by Ashish sir. So what we require? We require a quantum computer that is able to process at the faster rate, maybe 1,000 times better, 10,000 times better than what is the current computer. Today, we all know that we use social networks. We generate a lot of digital data. We dump images, video data, text data in various social media. Now the question is, the analysis and interpretation of such a large amount of data has become very difficult nowadays, because data is very huge. And to process such amount of data, definitely we require artificial intelligence and machine learning concepts. And currently, of course, we are all using artificial and machine learning concepts. But when data becomes very huge, we are not exploiting the power of AI and machine learning to interpret the data properly. So definitely it is necessary in the future that we should go with the quantum computing. And I don't know when we realize the quantum computers in the future. And I think all budding engineers in the future will have a lot of future to work in the area of quantum computers. You may be working on applications, you may be working on algorithms development, you may be working on new data science applications, healthcare applications, banking applications. So a lot of applications emerge, and I think they demand a lot of job opportunities for the future engineers. And I think definitely all our students who are really aspiring to become engineers, they will have very good opportunity to enter into the field of quantum computing. I will tell you some brief introduction to data science. What is data science? What are the applications of the data science? And how exactly quantum computing supports the data science? Because nowadays we talk about data scientists, AI and ML engineers, which will deal with the artificial intelligence and the machine learning. I'll give some small examples. See, data science means processing a huge amount of data and probably trying to interpret the data and extract the useful data and generate reports or present the reports in the visualization form. So this is all data science. Okay, we deal with basically the huge amount of data. The data can be a text data, image data, or it can be video data. We need to process all the large amount of data. I'll give an example. Let's take a bank. In bank, when we receive the applications for loan, we receive lakhs of applications for the loan. How bank really segregate the applications. So you can have a data science application tool that will segregate them, which we call it as a customer segmentation. It will segregate them based on the income and based on maybe the credit score. So you can have an automatic tool that will analyze lakhs of applications and then segregate them and later take a decision which is a good party, and then the bank will decide whom to offer the loan, whom not to offer the loan. So this is one application of data science application, because you have a huge amount of data here, lakhs of applications, and maybe in future you may have crores of applications. Then maybe the applications are distributed and processed in various branches. This is just a small example of data science application. Okay, I'll give another example. See, today you want to purchase a mobile product. I think students will be very happy to look at this particular example, because they'll be interested to purchase mobile phones and all that very often. When you want to purchase any mobile phone or any electronic gadget, what do? You search in the internet, right? The moment you search in the internet, so the internet will have an intelligent machine running in the background. What it will do, it will try to pick the related products and then push all those products details to your mail ID. Got it? So this is called as machine learning in the background, or intelligence in the background. The moment you do something in the internet, so in the background there is a intelligent system that will learn what you are looking for and fetch related information and supply to you. So this searching related information supply to you is, it's kind of trying to do searching on the related products is also called as the data science. Finding out the related data is also called as the data science. Retrieval of the related data is also called as the data science. So like this, there are many applications. I just quoted only one or two applications as of now, but there are many applications, which definitely impact uh, the computational requirements, and probably quantum computers. If we realize them in future, then our lives will be much more easier than what we are experiencing today. Maybe today we have computing devices with the small power, but maybe in future we have computing devices with the large and large power. Maybe today, if you are trying to do something uh, with some 2 to 3 days, in future you may be trying to do within a second time, because that much of competition.
Sir, you're on mute, sir.
Yeah, I'm just happy to say to all of you that in future you have lot of opportunities related to computer science, where you will be developing new algorithms, new applications using quantum, fine, right? So a lot of things are there, and definitely there are a lot of challenges. uh, I must advise students that please try to understand the power of the quantum computers and how we can use them for various applications in the computer science. Okay, so I think I thank Pranav sir for giving me an opportunity
No,
to
no.
interact with all the students. I thank you very much. Probably I was discussing with Pranav sir. I may be interacting more with all of you in future. Thank you very much. If any
We
queries
can
are there,
invite them to your university.
yeah, definitely. I'm interested to invite all the students to see our university and understand all the technologies and understand the
Sir, we call it a taster program. Students can
yeah,
come
yeah.
see your labs,
Huh.
and they can get much more information.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. No
Now,
issues.
there are some quizzes in between. I'll request the students answer it on the chat board.
As you enter a new phase of life, you feel lost. The future seems like a blank space until you discover the passion within. The canvas of the future is yours to paint. Welcome to a world of opportunities. Reva University, one association for many great careers.
Keep watching Edu TV.
Well, I'm very grateful to Edu TV.
Keep watching Edu TV.
Keep watching Edu TV.
शिक्षा के क्षेत्र की चीजों को जानने के लिए एडू टीवी देखते रहिए.
I enjoyed being on Edu TV and keep watching Edu TV.
Keep watching Edu TV.
EDU TV is a very important partner in this journey.